Hey guys, sending out a reminder for our marketing automations workshop for hairstylists, beauty and wellness pros coming up this Sunday, September 17th at 4 p.m. at Cahoots in Phoenix, Arizona. Okay, we're going to cover basically how automated systems give you an unfair advantage in your marketplace, which marketing automations are essential for you as a beauty or wellness pro, and which ones are a waste of time. And basically, what we'll cover is like predictable and cost effective systems that bring in new clients and booked appointments every month and reduce no shows. Okay. And then reliable systems to follow up with clients, send reminders, confirm appointments, all through automations, and also simple automations that help with client retention and actually to get your clients to pay, stay, rebook, and refer all on autopilot. Okay, so that's this Sunday, September 17th at 4 p.m. at Cahoots in Phoenix. For more information and free tickets, go to beautybizmakeover.com/Eventbrite. That's beautybizmakeover.com/Eventbrite. Peace.